the best ways he uses Hermes Agent, and he has a Mac Mini as well, is that he doesn't set it up locally, right? So he sets it up on Hostinger, and then OpenClaw runs really well like that. So I think that's a great way to run agents. If you're having problems running Hermes locally, then instead what you can actually do is run it on something like Hostinger. And with Hostinger, it's cloud-based, right? So it's much easier to host and it's much easier to start using. Let's have a look at the next one. Yeah, you can do that directly, right? Like you can just set this up from the GitHub. If you haven't seen that before, if you want to set up Hermes Agent directly, which is what I do, right? I have it running locally, as you can see right here inside the agent, running locally on my Mac Studio. And so you can run it on Windows, you can run it on Mac locally. It's pretty easy. You just follow the instructions right here. So if you're running it on a PC, you just copy this command, paste it into your terminal or whatever, and then you can go from there. That's pretty much it. I'm actually going to switch models over here. I can't get Hermes to work on Windows. So if you're not sure how to run it, follow the instructions on the GitHub. If you've already followed the instructions on Hermes Agent GitHub for setting it up on Windows, what I would do in that situation is I would get Claude Code locally, right? So I'd open up Claude Code locally like this, and I'd just say to Claude Code, and I'd paste in this information here, and I'd be like, based on this, help me set up Hermes Agent, right? And just keep iterating until it's done. That's the way that I would usually approach stuff like that.